welcome back. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Yes, we're gonna jump right into it. We're back for another episode today. I don't know why I put myself in these types of situations.
No, wait, I already know the answer. 'Cause you're dumb.
Today we have to go out to Queens to pick up 2 items. In total it's 3, but 2 items. I have to go to one spot because today I am getting a GoPro. Get down on it. Ooh. Today I'm getting a GoPro, and the second spot in Queens I'm picking up this inlet and outlet piping for my intercooler setup, right? Here's the problem. I live in Brooklyn, right? Said we have to go out to Queens. The 2 places that we have to go to are on the opposite sides of Queens.
All I want to know is who's coming with me.
So, and then I have a deadline because both of these people will be unavailable after 5 p.m. And if I am not mistaken, let's see what time it is. It's 3:30. It's 3:37. So, with that being said, let me get on the road, guys.
Killer shit again. Killer shit again. Killer shit again.
Cannot fuck with anybody. Nah. Seen them niggas caught up, and I heard them niggas used to fuck with everybody.
I couldn't record going into the store, and excuse this limp. I've been in a total of 3 accidents in a couple of months, right? What? So yeah, I couldn't go into the store recording or whatever because they had a bunch of merchandise and stuff. But you're looking at the proud new owner of a GoPro. Yeah. Voila. Hero 7, Hero 7, Hero. Now I can get my action shots and they be drippy. Oh my God, come with cute little stickers and stuff. Cute little stickers and things. Charger because I got the white one. The battery isn't removable in mine.
Yes, I'm broke. It's all you.
That's okay though. That's okay. It's the 7. Let me get this bitch off of here. It's removable, but I don't know. Do I twist this? I think you twist it off. Oh, maybe that wasn't how you do it. Oh, that is how you do it. Oh, lit. Look, guys. Oh my goodness, I have one now. Oh, break the shit. I have one now. Oh my God. It's about to be lit. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, look at the
No!
Sorry about that. Give me a second. No, not French. Not French. Oh, I can't even show. Okay, but look, I just want to try to show you the camera quality. Look at that. I'm so excited. Now all I have to do is get the little suction cup thing, that shit, and it's gonna be lit. Oh my goodness. Quality is gonna be drippy.
The next day.
Oh God, this is why I don't go out anywhere. This is exactly why I stay in the house. Look at this. Look at this. This is $140 that I had to pay.
See what had happened at first was
I knew today was gonna be a recording day, and I completely forgot my camera, and I'm not sure how. But yes, let me fill you in on what's happening now. Had to come down here to try to see if I could get my vehicle back because My Accord was towed by A-Twin's finest. Went to go visit a friend, and he told me he had a valid parking space, a paid parking space. Come to find out, he didn't. Vehicle got towed. I went downstairs, my heart dropped.
Somebody stole my damn car! Bitch!
Car wasn't there. Keys in my hand, but the car ain't there. Let's see. Is my baby in here somewhere? Let me get my dog. Look at it right there, front and center. I am a person that can admit when I made a mistake. I shouldn't have parked where I parked. Try to get my shit back now.
Yeah, just please, please don't park on it tonight, because they're gonna put boots on there, and that's not me, that's another company. And it's $108 to take that off.
Okay.
They're really, really cracking down hard with this shit. Everybody's blaming me, but I'm just doing my job, you know?
Nah, I didn't come in here blaming you. Trust me. If I came in here with that type of energy, I didn't.
No, I'm just saying, everybody's like,
Where am I signing? Yesterday, hanging out now cost me $180. This is why when people say, hey, Ari, come hang out. No, because when shit go left, Ari gotta figure it out. You don't got nobody on the side like, yo, you know I told you that the parking was valid and the parking was invalid, so here, take a little blah, blah, blah to go and get your car back. Nothing of the sort. So now, somebody ain't coming to pick me up. If somebody ain't sending a cab, Ari is not jumping in her car just to jump in her car. It's not happening. This whole thing. Look at this. Look at this. This is $140 that I had to pay. And then here I go getting Applebee's and offering my friend. That food came up to $41. Like, oh yeah, Ari, don't worry, I'm gonna give you a little something towards the food. Didn't give me shit.
Why you bringing up old shit?
So it's just like, that was an expensive ass day yesterday. Never again.
I just seen the money start to step on my opponents. Can't worry about nobody but my owners. Can't fuck with anybody, I'm a loner, yeah. Gotta get it on your own, cause they don't. You cannot fuck with anybody. Seen them niggas caught up, and I heard them niggas used to fuck with everybody.